sandbox. But my sister can't.
Gabby, we have enough food that if Lauren wants to come here to eat, she can stop.
Yeah, but she already has meat marinated. Hey Adam, what's Lauren saying?
I'm playing with my machine.
Yeah, but what's Lauren talking about?
Bulldozer. It's my favorite one. And the back one is my best one. Like keep in the, I have a front load, roller and bulldozer. And this is my grader. This shovel is my grader. Digging down tracks, dig. Woo! Now my green's digging down. Now I'm gonna put this thing on my foot. My toe. Bye.
Lauren said bye?
No.
You just hung up on her. Want to call her back? Hey Adam, should I call her back? Here, give me the phone. I'm going to call her back.
Hello?
Oh, she's not there anymore because you hung up.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, she's gone, right?
Oh, shoot.
Should I call her back?
Oh, jeepers.